Welcome students. In today's video you will learn about reflexive pronoun. You already know what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. So regarding reflexive pronoun, when a pronoun is used as the receiver of the action in a sentence, when the pronoun is used as the receiver of the action, it is called reflexive pronoun. And in that case, it has to be the subject also. That means a person who is doing the action is also the receiver of the action in the sentence. So that in that case, we will have a subject. It may be a noun or a pronoun, and the receiver of the action, it may be a pronoun which will be related directly to the subject, which may be a noun or a pronoun. Got it? Now, how will you form reflexive pronouns? We can form by adding the suffix self or selves to the pronouns. So we have such words as myself, himself, herself, yourself, themselves, and itself. Now, a reflexive pronoun, you must note, is an indirect object in a sentence, and it answers the question whom. You already know what is a direct object and an indirect object. Direct object is the word which answers the question what related to the verb in the sentence, while indirect object is the word, it may be any word which answers the question whom in the sentence. The question whom should be related to the verb. Let us have few examples here of reflexive pronouns. Maya saw herself in the mirror. Subject Maya. What action is Maya doing? Rather, what action did Maya do? Maya saw. In the mirror. Whom? Maya saw whom in the mirror? Maya saw herself in the mirror. So the word herself, you can see, is the object of the verb saw, and as well as the word herself, it is already an object here, and it is also related to the subject here. So the subject and the object are connected here. In this case, the pronoun herself is the reflexive pronoun in the sentence. Second question, my friends gave themselves a treat. My friend's subject gave what? A treat. But to whom? To themselves. So the word themselves is related directly to the word, to the term my friends, which is subject here, as well as it is a pronoun which is an answer to the question whom. In this case, the word themselves, the pronoun themselves is a reflexive pronoun. I bought the ice cream for myself. Very clearly, for whom? I bought the ice cream. I did the action of buying an ice cream. But for whom? For myself. So the word myself is reflexive pronoun which reflects back to the subject I, which is a pronoun here. We enjoyed ourselves in the picnic. We enjoyed whom? We enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed what? We enjoyed the scenery. We enjoyed the food, which is not mentioned. It's not mentioned here. But the question is, we enjoyed whom? We enjoyed ourselves. The puppy hurt itself. The puppy hurt whom? Itself. And the word itself is related to the subject here, the puppy. So the correlation there is the subject and the object are correlated. Sahil dried himself with a towel. So Sahil dried himself. Sahil dried whom? Sahil dried whom? Sahil dried himself with a towel. So himself word is the answer to the question whom, as well as it is directly related to the subject Sahil, which is a noun here. So children, I hope you understood this. Let us have a recap. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun which is formed by adding self self for singulars or selves cells to make plural reflexive pronouns. Okay, and this kind of pronoun, this special pronoun, is used as the receiver of the action. And who is the receiver? Of course, the subject is the receiver. So you can very well note here that the subject and the object are correlated, they are related to each other. Thank you.